Hey everyone, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a really easy way to play Happy Birthday on this acoustic guitar. Stick around for later in the video. I'm going to play it a little bit differently on electric guitar. So let's get started. So what I'm doing here is I'm playing the simplest way that I feel you could play it in open position. We're only using open strings and we're only using 3 frets. And I've taught this for many years this way, so it's a good starter song to learn, and it's very easy in the sense that we're only using strings 3, 2, and 1, and we're only using the open strings as well as 3 frets. We're going to do what I call fingers equal frets. If it says 0 on the tabs or I say open, that could be the 3rd, 2nd, or 1st string open, the G, the B, and the E. All right, and then frets equal fingers means this. Our hand is laid out in a grid. Our first finger will be on the 1st fret for any 1st fret note, 2nd finger for the 2nd fret notes, and 3rd finger for the 3rd fret notes. That way you don't move your hand at all and you keep it in a grid. Now mind you, you can do the 1 finger shuffle where you just use 1 finger and move it around. But I really recommend that you try to stick to the 3 fingers and keep them aligned to the frets. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 1st fret. So we're going to first start with our open 3rd string or the G string. We're going to hit that twice. Then we're going to hit 2nd fret on this 3rd string and then back to open. Then we go to 1st fret on the 2nd string or the B string, and then open 2nd string. Then we go back to the 3rd string, same thing, open, open, 2nd fret, open. Then this time we go 3rd fret on the 2nd string, 3rd finger, and then 1st fret on that same string. Then we go open 3rd twice. Then we hit the high G note, 3rd fret on the 1st string, 1st finger, open 1st string, go to the 2nd string, 1st fret, 1st finger, open 2nd string, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, 2nd finger, 1st fret on the 1st string, 1st finger, hit that twice, open, 1st fret on the 2nd string, 3rd fret on that same 2nd string, back to 1st fret on that string. And that's it. I'm going to show you up close too, and I'll do it a little bit slower and then tempo so you could play along. And just a reminder, in the right hand, we're just doing down picks. You can alternate pick it if you want, but really it's just simple enough to do just down picking. Now let's try it on electric guitar, and you could do it on the same thing on acoustic guitar, but we're just going to get a different flavor to it by doing it on electric. Here we go. All right, so now I got my electric guitar, and what we're going to do is do the same exact thing, but bring it up an octave or 12 frets. And I added some distortion with some delay, reverb to make it sound cool. And I'm going to be using vibrato, which is the wiggle, where you wiggle up and down a little bit on the string. You don't have to do that at first if you don't know how to do that, but you can experiment with that. So what I'm doing here is I'm bringing up the melody that we learned down here up an octave, and everything translates. So an open third string now is the 12th fret on the third string. Second fret is now 14th fret, etc. So you can follow along. I'll play it first, and then we'll do the lesson. Now, in this situation, I'm using 4 fingers, and they're in a box pattern. First finger gets the 12th fret, second finger 13, third finger 14, and the fourth finger 15. So everything stays in the grid. Now, as you advance, you can change that around and do slides or tricks like that. You can slide from 13 to 15. But for now, I'll just keep it in the grid and keep it simple. All right, so we start 12, 12, 14, 12 on the third string. Then we go to the second string and do 13, 12, fingers 2 and 1. Go back to the third string, 12, 12, 14, 12. Then on the second string, 15, 13, fingers 4 and 2. Then we go 12th fret, third string, octave jump to the 15th fret, first string, then the 12th fret on the first string, then 13th fret on the second string, 12th fret on the same string, and then 14 on the third string. Then we go to 13th fret on the first string, 13th fret on the second string, 15th fret, same string, back to 13 to end it. And we'll play that up close. I'll do it first slow, and then I'll do it at a faster tempo. Hope you enjoyed that lesson. Leave a comment which version you like better. Acoustic guitar, open position, or electric guitar, distortion at the 12th fret. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next lesson.